Mythbusters, here we go. Today we're going to be talking about the ORP. ORP, oxidation reduction potential. So this is slightly different than hydrogen. So this unit right here that we have, it's hooked up underneath the counter, the best hydrogen water. So this is our server. It's a server because it's a computer that makes hydrogen gas. So we have this, there's no filter in it. And then we have it hooked up to our whole house water filtration system, which is right over here. And this gets out everything from arsenic to mercuries to heavy metals to pharmaceuticals to glyphosates. It just gets out a whole spectrum of different contaminants. For 10 entire years, there's no maintenance. So we take that water, which goes throughout the whole entire home, then we hook it up to the server. We can go then to the refrigerator and we can make refrigerator water, hydrogen water coming out of there. And we can also make ice cubes coming in there too. Very exciting. So we're gonna take a little sample today, and I wanna show you the ORP of this water coming out. And it's so delicious. It tastes so fantastic when you have properly filtered water. All right, so here's our ORP meter. And also there's no cleaning of this device either, so you don't have to worry about any calcium building up on the electrodes. So coming straight out of the tap here, you have almost a negative 700. That's pretty fantastic. Now, one thing you're probably not aware of is these antioxidants are sensitive to air, light, time, temperature, and motion. So if you're not drinking it fresh every day, you're not getting the benefits that you deserve to have. So that's why you want to have one of these hydrogen cups. So this hydrogen cup intensifies the water, but I want you to see, we have a negative almost 700, right? Now, imagine you just put this in a portable container and you don't have the hydrogen cup. And you're going to the gym, it's shaking around, you're in your car, it's a bumpy road, and you're shaking that water all around. Or it's been there for 2-3 hours, or 24 hours, or 48 hours. Now what I want to do is I'm going to test the ORP again. So remember, we had a negative, 600 and something, and now, look, stabilize here, it's a positive. Because those antioxidants are sensitive to motion, and all those antioxidants, because hydrogen's gas, goes into the air. So when you get one of these hydrogen bottles, which we have a special right now going on, this is only 197, and you can put filtered water in here, or you can recharge your water at any time. You're going to notice there's electrolysis going on here, and that's the hydrogen coming out again. Isn't that so incredibly cool? So this actually gets the ORP on this, I've seen it up to almost 900 because it can go for 10 entire minutes. It can sit here and really make the ORP high. And the hydrogen concentration is 4.5 parts per billion of hydrogen gas. It's very, very intense. So it makes you feel so good. So let that sit here. Now our special right now, you can pre-order these bottles. You get the sanitizing spray. So this right here is hypochlorous acid and hypochlorite. There's two different purposes. Hypochlorous acid will be on skin issues like eczema, psoriasis, acne, blisters, burns, cuts, scrapes, and wounds. You can use it anywhere in your body, topically. When you add a little salt to this bottle, it's gonna make hypochlorite, which is stronger than bleach by 80 times. If you go with the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, there's a spot there you can put hypochlorite in COVID. There's 78 different studies done on hypochlorite in COVID and how it kills it. So this kills all bacteria and germs. You can countertops, toilets, sinks, mirrors, anywhere you want to sanitize. That's what this bottle is for. So you can use it on your skin, hypochlorous acid or hypochlorite, add a little salt, and it even makes it more intense, but it can irritate the skin, which is why you don't want to use that. Without the salt is perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just take it out. It's only in there for just a little bit of time. And we have a negative 635. Isn't that fantastic? All right, so that is the hydrogen bottle and why you deserve to have one, because your body wants to know how it feels to feel good. So go down and order one of these. We have it in blue, silver, red, and black. You can order all the different colors. They'll be here in about 2 weeks, and you get one of these spray bottles complimentary. This is a $250 value. So you get that for free when you buy this at only $197. So if you don't pre-order it and it comes and then you hadn't already ordered it, this is $249. So you get that savings, plus you get this guy complimentary. So I hope you're taking me up on that offer, and let me know how you're feeling with this new hydrogen water. See you soon.